cookies of the peanut butter variety are being made.
Made by the Erickson girls.
Bowl goes on here and it locks when you turn it. And then this goes down. And you have to lock this shut so it doesn't come up again.
Yeah.
This one in first.
And then we got a puzzle starting over here too. What do we got here? Oh, another 1,000-piecer? Oh yeah.
Breakfast.
Would you just look at it? I love breakfast.
And peanuts. Okay, there's the things. Do you want to do the?
What?
Do you want to do number 2?
What is that?
Flour, baking soda
Baking powder and salt. Yeah.
in that bowl
Yeah.
with wait a minute.
Whisk.
That's the right bowl though. In a medium bowl, yeah, let's not do it in that bowl. We gotta take a different bowl. Alright. So here's the measuring deals.
Whisk the flour. Flour is
You know what?
1/2. 2 cups and 1/2.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? A teaspoon.
Huh?
Yeah, 1/2 teaspoon. Where is your?
Oh, the little one is a half.
This is 1/4 the other bowl.
Oh, did I get the wrong one? That's I'll use this one then.
Yeah.
Good thing you looked.
Similar. Baking soda.
Oh,
This
that's
one.
baking powder. It's baking
just
powder.
got
This
this.
is soda. Is
Oh,
that
yeah.
open?
No.
Oh, here.
Baking soda powder, 1/2 teaspoon. And it has salt. Then set aside.
Okay.
Time.
What's the next thing say?
In a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, beat the butter and sugars at medium speed.
Look at this. How much butter is it? Does it want?
2 sticks,
2 sticks?
salted butter.
Salted?
Yeah,
For
salted.
Pete's sakes, I took out unsalted. All the recipes always call for unsalted butter.
Salted butter, softened.
Dang it. Now it's hard. Softened.
Softened.
Yeah, so we have to soften the butter a little somehow.
You will microwave it?
Yeah, but you have to be really, really careful because we don't want to melt it.
Like 10 seconds.
There's a defrost button on there. I'm gonna see
Oh.
how that works. Or a soften. There's a soften button.
Oh yeah.
But I'm gonna
I
put it in a
see.
bowl. And I'm gonna cut it in half. And the consistency of the cookies isn't gonna be right. They're probably gonna be too flat and spread out.
Oh.
And some recipes they want you to melt the butter. I think the last one we made had melted butter.
Yeah.
Usually they want it room temperature. That's why I took butter out this morning, but I took the wrong butter out, so I was dumb.
Beat the butter and sugars at medium speed. Sugar is
So,
dark brown sugar.
Okay.
1 cup.
okay, so that one there.
Dark brown sugar.
Yep, and remember when you
I will put this
Yep.
here.
and remember when you measure that one, you tap it in.
Yeah.
Spent half an hour taking the puzzle apart.
1 cup of dark brown sugar and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Oh,
No, wait, sugar. 1
Oh,
cup of each. Or, no, you know, I'm gonna fill it up anyway. maybe another quarter teaspoon. Where's the? I'll do half of that. There. Now we're gonna do these things, okay? Okay,
I
so
will cut this.
you don't have to cut it now.
I will just put it here.
Just throw it in there, yeah. This is the paddle attachment. This is to lift this head up and down. See how the picture
Yeah.
is down and up? You lift it up to put this on. There's a little cutout dealie there. It goes
Oh, you
on
did the hole.
this, yeah. Okay. And then the on-off switch is over here. So you want to start it on kind of low.
Oh,
And we're probably going to need that rubber scraper. So what does this actually say to do here?
withdrawal bitter. Needed scraping down the bowl.
How long does it want us to?
2 minutes.
Okay.
2
Beat
minutes.
the butter and sugar at mediums until light and fluffy. Okay. About 2 minutes. You want to maybe see if you can get that butter off of there. All right.
Oh, that's why they need spatula because
Yes,
the
it
butter.
gets stuck in there sometimes. There.
Then add the peanut butter and mix until fully incorporated.
Okay.
Peanut butter.
How much peanut butter?
1 cup extra crunchy peanut
Okay.
butter.
All right.
And 1 cup roasted salted peanuts ground in a food processor.
Yeah, I got those.
About 14 pulses.
I'm putting that in there so the peanut butter comes out easy.
Oh,
Let's see if it works.
are they okay now? Is it 2 minutes already? I don't know.
Maybe scrape at the bottom. Sometimes you could, at the very bottom of the bowl.
Yeah.
Sometimes some stuff gets stuck down there. And then you could turn it on for just a little bit longer before we add the peanut butter.
I will put it back.
Put it down and lock
Lock.
it. Yep.
And
And then turn it on to like
number
2
2.
maybe. Or 3.
Peanut butter. Two egg.
And 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
I will put all there.
Yep.
This.
It wants you to add the dry ingredients. So usually I just add this a little bit at a time. Put some in and let it stir up, and then put a little more in until all of it gets in there.
Oh,
So you can do
I will
that.
put.
Scrape any loose flour you see into the dough. Yes, probably.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put these in. Okay, we want to mix those around.
Number 2.
Yeah. It's not coming off the beaters. We can take it off and actually put it.
Tastes good.
Let's put on the cookie sheets. Mix that in here. Okay. Bigger. We'll make a bigger cookie. So what we're gonna do is one out, roll it into a ball, and roll it in the sugar,
Oh.
and then put it on the tray. Those are gonna be really big. Do you want them really big?
Anything. Good for one person.
Okay. So then we smash them down a little with a fork after you put sugar on. So you just kind of go like this and like that with the fork.
Like this.
Yep. Yep. That one looks bigger. So don't heap this. Just make sure it's not like heaping over.
Okay. And
Here, I'll split these out. You can roll them up, and I think we're only gonna end up with 6 on a plate here on a cookie sheet because they're so big.
look like a peanut butter ice cream.
Does not taste like peanut butter. I think you do that with a tray, and then we'll put it in the oven.
It seems like cowboy cookie, big as cowboy cookie.
Huh?
It seems like big as cowboy
Well,
cookie.
these look like they're going to be pretty big, yeah. We could use a different scoop and make them smaller, but then you have to watch the baking time so they don't get overdone.
How many minutes is it if you bake it?
10 to 12 minutes.
Oh, it's fast.
Then you have to cool them on the cookie sheet for 5 minutes, and then they continue to cook a little bit longer
Yeah.
after that. So we're gonna put them in the oven.
Then you need to preheat the oven.
It's preheated already. Yep, it's already going.
They're done.
Okay. So
It's already ready.
yep. For a little while longer on the cookie tray.
Oh.
So we're just gonna. They do look a little underbaked.
What?
They look a little underbaked, but it says they're gonna look underbaked, so I'm taking them out. Melt my phone while I'm at it. They look fine on the bottom. See the bottom?
Yeah. Maybe they're done already.
I almost lost that one.
And we will make it.
What? Finish your sentence. You're gonna see if what?
Just wait a second.
Alright, I'll wait a second.
You got some going in the oven right now, or do you not have a batch in there?
Oh, she knows.
Oh, still working on it.
What do you think? Are you eating one?
Typical breakfast here.
I don't eat much breakfast.
Well, that's not good.
Even when I'm studying.
You will eat breakfast and you will like it.
Even when I'm studying before, I don't eat breakfast.
Okay.